Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this really cool 2022 Ford Connect Wagon XLT. This is a long wheelbase version. And unfortunately, I think it's actually 2022 is the last year of the Ford Connect Wagon. Just not a very big seller in the United States. Unfortunately, I think this is a really cool vehicle. As a used car manager and as a used car buyer, I try to get my hands on every one of these I come across. There's not too many. And since they're discontinued, it's going to be harder and harder to find low mileage examples like this. These are really popular in Europe with small roads and things like that. These aren't going to go away at all in Europe. But yeah, if you don't like minivans or you don't want a crossover SUV, but you need something that has a lot of space and third row seating, this has the ability to sit 6 people, but you can fold those rear seats down and turn this thing into like a little cargo van. It's very utilitarian, very useful, and very efficient and low ownership costs. You're going to get well over 20 miles per gallon. The engine transmission is very similar to Ford products like the Fusion and the Focus, so very easy to maintain. And yeah, these are fantastic. And like I said, unfortunately, I'm pretty sure 2022 is the last year these are sold in North America. So yeah, let's do a little walk around and tell you about this really cool product. And if you want something that's quirky, a little bit different, off the beaten path, you don't want a soccer mom minivan, you don't want a big heavy crossover SUV, the Transit Connect Wagon is definitely something cool to check out. With the XLT trim package, this is a very nicely equipped with features. We have this nice cloth interior, and we have additional storage up here and a ton of headroom. I'm 6'2". The headroom is amazing in this thing. And you also have amazing visibility, very easy to drive and maneuver. The visibility is really good in the windows and stuff like that, so parking, maneuvering in a tight urban environment is not a problem with this thing. We have a rear parking camera. This has Ford's sync system as well. And only 8,509 miles at the time of making this video. Very low miles. This thing is pretty much in near new condition inside and out. So I have a power driver's seat. Really nice, easy color combination to take care of. White exteriors are very easy. Scratches, surface imperfections aren't going to show up anywhere near as much on a white vehicle versus a dark color like black, which kind of everything shows up, especially in direct sunlight. We have a powerful 4-cylinder engine. Obviously, this is a van. It's not a speed machine, so you don't need a ton of power. I think it makes like 180 horsepower. I think it's hooked up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Plenty power, plenty of acceleration for this vehicle, and it's very, very fuel efficient. So you have a nice spacious accommodations in the front, and then we have sliding doors, minivan style, on both sides, making entry and exit very easy. Loading cargo very easy as well. So lots of headroom back here. We also have this removable, it's kind of like a you could hang up like a curtain, or you could use it to hang like a clothes hanger or something like that. It's easily removable. It has like this ratcheting thing to adjust to different sizes. And then it's fairly easy to fold down the seats. And then, as you can see, it's really easy to turn this thing into a cargo van. And the space is pretty generous. Even for me, I'm 6'2". I mean, I wouldn't want to spend hours back there, but I could spend a short amount of time in those third seats without too much discomfort. And then the second row seats are not a problem at all as far as comfort goes for a full-size adult. Then we have the barn door style tailgate. Very low parcel shelf, making loading things extremely easy. And then for the third row seats, they're fairly easy to fold down. We pull right up here. And then you have these, then we have these things to create a kind of nice flat floor to load cargo in. So obviously that happens on both sides. We have rear climate control vents. Very utilitarian, very great, very awesome. Can't say enough good things about these Transit Connects. If you're looking for an affordable, small minivan type vehicle, excellent cargo space, this thing is like a little Swiss Army knife. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.